It's okay. I'm on there now.
It's okay. You're here now. How you doing this morning? I'm okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Wow. All righty then. Okay, do we need to get Ms. Tompkins and Mr. Thomas into breakout rooms?
Oh, yeah, I just let them all in.
Okay, great. All right, Anita Tompkins and Michael Anthony Thomas and Olivia Trout, good morning to you all. I'm going to place you in breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please be aware the attorneys are making their way through the rooms. Be patient. Please don't use the help button while you're in the breakout room. It makes me stop court out here. We know you're there. We know you're waiting, and they are getting to you as quickly as they can. The room number that you're going into represents the place that you are holding in the line. There are two attorneys making their way through the rooms. Olivia Trout, you are going to room 13. Please hit join. Michael Anthony Thomas, room 14. Please hit join. And Anita Tompkins, please hit join for room 15. Thank you. On the iPhone that was just admitted, I need you to unmute and give me a name, please, quickly.
Attorney Sean O'Mara. I apologize, Your Honor.
It's okay.
Craig Tank.
One moment, please. How do you, what's your last name again? I'm so sorry.
O'Mara, O''M''A'.
Okay, thank you. And who's your client?
Craig Tank.
Tank? I'm sorry, it's just the YouTube. I can't hear. I'm good. Zoom.
Tank. TANK.
Oh, Tank. Okay, thank you. Okay. All right. Your client is in room 4. The city attorney will meet you in room 2 if you need to discuss the matter with her. I will quickly take a look and see if I've got an offer in your matter. I'm not seeing Tank. Do you, Madam Clerk? TANK
offer. He's scheduled for
oh, there he is. The offer is to improper plates if he doesn't have documents.
Okay.
One count of improper plates, and then you want to go see him in 4. You want to go see city attorney in 2.
Can I see 2 and then 4?
Okay, so I'll move you to 2. You can also move yourself because you have co-hosts, but I'll send you to 2 right now. City attorney is in officers, but she'll be to you next.
Thank you.
Huh? Okay. Check our SOSs.
yeah, I'm pulling files right now.
Yeah, Michael Thomas is going to need one. I'm just noting next to the names if we need it. You'll be able to look at the room and see if I'm kind of work. I'm just taking names as I see them. Like our docket is not too bad today.
Yeah.
All Trout has is insurance. I'm gonna bring her on out and just check in with her. Olivia Trout. All she's got is a Miss Trout. Good morning. Olivia Trout. Good morning.
Good morning.
I brought you out because I can see that your only charge is for no insurance. Do you have proof of insurance today?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Okay. Are you planning to get some?
Yeah, I'm just kind of in a hard spot right now. I just moved.
Okay.
I just couldn't afford it, so I parked my car.
That's okay. What I always say is can you turn your camera on for me?
Yes, ma'am.
If you take a plea today, which is what they're going to offer you without proof of insurance, it's going to cost you about $200. I need you to start your video. I don't like talking.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm trying to click it. It's not working. There we go.
But what I can do is I can set this out a bit for you if you think you're going to get insurance, so you can take that $200 and put it on insurance. It's up to you. But what they're going to do today is they're going to either expect you to take a plea that's going to cost you $190 or come back on a new date and see if you can get your insurance together. So I just didn't want to keep you waiting. The next date would be July the 10th. So it would give you a few weeks to try to get something together.
Okay, yeah, can I do that?
Sure. Yep. So on Olivia Trout, Madam Clerk, we will set her for a final pretrial on July the 10th.
Any mail, can you change the address?
Yes, here, Madam Clerk will send you a chat, okay? Because we're on YouTube, so I don't want you saying your address out loud. She'll send you a chat and then just chat it back to her, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Did you see the chat pop up?
Oh, sorry.
Attorney O'Meara, did you want to go in and see your client now?
I already did. Went to 4. I'm gonna, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go to 2. We just need a quick adjournment if that's okay. If the
Okay,
court,
I mean, if he has his documents, it would be a dismissal, but if you need an adjournment, then we'll adjourn to July 10th is our next date. Can you do July 10th?
July 10th will be fine, Your Honor.
Okay, give us 1 second, just so I can keep us procedurally. No, we'll just, so on Tank, next, we'll schedule a pretrial on Tank for July 10th at 8:35 a.m. Council, does that work for you?
That'll be fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you guys back. Can you let your client know and then you can release him?
Will do. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. I have to write her.
Okay. Thank you. Patricia Thomas, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm looking at your file. Looks like your only charge really is to no insurance. I want to pull your file. Do you have insurance today?
Yes, I sure do.
Okay, great. Let's keep you out here with me for just a moment. Okay, we've got your address, Ms. Trout. We'll see you back, zoom back in again on July the 10th, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. 8:35. See you then.
Okay.
All right, Patricia Thomas, whenever you got it.
Okay, so I do have it on my phone. They haven't sent me the actual documents yet.
That's good. You can go ahead and put that down. Thank you. Perfect.
Okay.
I'm just
And
pulling
then
your
I
file.
also-
Give me just a minute and I'm going to pull your file. You said also, would you do registration?
Yep, I sure did. Did registration and got my plate together as well.
All right, there we go. Calling ticket number P1903368, City versus Patricia Thomas. Ms. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Patricia Thomas.
Thank you. Good job getting those things together. Court having reviewed your valid documents, your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you as well.
Welcome. All right, bye-bye. Hey, Ms. Horn.
Hi, Judge. And so I think everybody's taken care of for now. Hopefully there won't be a huge lag. I don't think both courtrooms are pretty, decent, not
Kinda like today.
overloaded. Yep. No
Gotcha.
offer for Canfors. I already talked to him and I gave him my cell phone number after he talked to his client if he wants to give me a call.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. I'll be back.
So I know they're gonna need some SOSs. Let's see. Let's see what Derek Perry just has expired plates and no insurance. Jerisha Purnell is all documents as well. Where did he go? Why is Tank still in his breakout room? I thought his attorney just released him. Wasn't that Tank?
Oh, my, oh, Mara.
Yeah, that he requested an adjournment?
That was his attorney.
Yeah, I told him to release his client. Nobody's coming out of the breakout rooms. This is about to frustrate me. It's taking so long. Mr. Perry, good morning. Mr. Perry, good morning. Am I muted?
No, I don't see anything next to him. No mic or no camera. It's popping up now.
Derek Perry.
The mic isn't next to his name.
This is irritating. He keeps going back into the breakout room. I'm gonna go remove him. He's not in the breakout room anymore now. It's like we're just playing round robin. I go in, he comes out. He goes back in. And he did it again. Derek Perry. Derek Perry. Derek Perry.
It's showing video.
Jerisha Purnell, all paper. Tiana Turner. There's a 3-month delay. I know. Here's Derek Perry again. Sir, you were just admitted. Derek Perry. I don't know what's going on there. Try to get her out. Derek Perry, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, we need you to start your video, please.
Okay.
Mr. Perry, can you please start your video?
Yes, I hit the button. It's taking a minute.
Okay, good morning. It looks like your only charges are for your own. Lord.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you, sir. Mr. Perry, your sole charges today are for expired plates and no insurance. Do you have either one of those things with you today?
Yes, I sent a pictures to my Mr. Dillard.
And the Derek Perry file, please. Thank you.
I just sent them to him.
Thank you, Mr. Perry. Calling ticket number P1908976, City versus Derek Perry. Mr. Perry, state your name, please.
Derek Perry, DERRICKPERRY.
Thank you, Mr. Perry. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes, I do.
All right, you sent defense counsel proof of your current insurance and registration. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you. Who's your insurance for?
National General Insurance.
Okay, and what's the expiration date on your insurance?
11/15/2026.
Thank you. All right, both of your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day, Mr. Perry.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I can go to work now.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Pettigrew, good morning. I'm going to get you into a breakout room to see an attorney before I hear your matter. You have attorney Soroki. He will be here shortly. You're going into room 4 to wait for him. Please hit join. Good morning.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. It's like I can't get any of these folks to come out of the breakout rooms, and I just don't know why. Jerisha Purnell, same thing. She's just not coming in. Brianna Pruitt. No insurance, expired plates, defective equipment. We're going to bring her on out. Morning, Tompkins. Ken must have gotten a date to come back. What is going on in here? Can I have the Brianna Pruitt file, please? Where'd she go? I swear. This is frustrating today. Like, is my button not working? Like, what is happening that I can't get anyone out of here? All right, Tiana Turner. Tiana Turner is going to be an appointed counsel.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Judge?
I'm good. I think I was trying to ask you if you were ready to bring her out, but then did you just release her? You got her information? Tiana Turner? Okay, great. Thank
Yes,
you.
I did.
Okay, thanks so much.
You're
That's all I
welcome.
needed. Thank you.
Mhm.
Ms. Pruitt, good morning. She's on mute.
Good
Trying to
morning.
get you.
I'm supposed to be in breakout room 9. My phone, I guess it disconnected.
Oh, no, I kept trying to bring you out of the breakout room. Your only charges are no insurance, expired plates, and defective equipment. Have you addressed those matters? Did you get proof of those things today?
Yes, I'm trying to log into my Progressive to upload my insurance, but he told me to to upload everything at the same time.
Did you get, do you have registration?
Yes.
Okay, you got that. And what was let me look at what your defective equipment was. And I have the Purnell file as well. Your defective or missing equipment, missing right rear view mirror. Ms. Pruitt, please turn on your camera. Thank you. All right. Do you have proof of your current registration?
Yes.
Okay, where is that?
Do you want me to upload it in the chat?
You just show it to me, or you can put it in the chat. That's fine. I'll start a chat with you, and you can share a screenshot or whatever.
Okay,
So I'll
I
just
just
share.
took a picture of it. It's in my car.
Mhm. Dorisha Purnell, please unmute, start your camera. Thank you for that registration. What'd you do about your your mirror, Ms. Pruitt?
I didn't get the mirror fixed yet.
Okay. And so you've got registration, you've got insurance. Are you going to get your mirror fixed? Otherwise, that's the one they're probably going to stick you with today.
Yes, I am going to get my mirror fixed.
Okay. Do you want to, I can put you back in the breakout room to speak with counsel. Maybe they'll dismiss that one given your other proofs. All right. You were in room 5?
I was in room 9.
9. Okay. I'm going to put you back there. Okay. Go ahead and read 9. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Ms. Purnell, good morning. Your sole
Good
charges
morning.
are no insurance, expired plates, and registration. Have you taken care of those matters?
I have.
Great. And did you send that to defense counsel?
I did. I just did.
Very good. Go ahead. Calling ticket number P1913365, City versus Jerisha Purnell. Ms. Purnell, just state your name for the record, please.
Jerisha Purnell.
Thank you. And raise your right hand, please, and swear or affirm that you're going to tell the truth today.
Yes.
Thank you. You did send your new insurance documents to defense counsel. Is that correct?
Yes.
What's your insurance for at this time?
Bristol West.
Okay. And what's the expiration date on your insurance?
Oh, let's see. Hold on.
Morning, Attorney Soroki. You have 2 clients in rooms 3 and 4. If you want offers, we'll give them to you in just a minute.
Okay, thank you. If you can email me the offers, that would help. I have 5 or 6 cases.
Gotcha. Okay,
And
we'll get
I'm
this.
on my computer too, so you don't need to tell me what courtroom or what breakout room to
Good.
go.
All right, you can see the rooms. Good. Okay,
Right.
thank you. Okay, Ms. Purnell, did you have your registration as well?
Yes.
Okay, where's that?
So, hold on.
Great. Okay, put it down. I just wanted to see it. I don't. Don't.
I'll say, I hope I, yeah.
All right. Ms. Purnell, based upon your proofs, your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Right. Bye-bye. Good morning. On the Samsung device, please unmute. Give me a name. On the Samsung device, please unmute. Give me a name.
Lyle Taylor.
Okay, I couldn't really hear you. So what's the first name, please?
Lyle Taylor.
You said L-I.
Lyle, last name Taylor. He was here earlier.
Right, does he have appointed counsel or anything? All right, Mr. Taylor, we have very few cases left on the docket. I hear you disconnected before. Try to make sure that doesn't happen again. You're going to room 16 and you'll be next for the attorney. Go ahead and join,
Yes, ma'am.
please.
It's the service. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Poole.
Good morning.
How are you?
Okay. We're having some trouble logging in.
Okay.
They have signed off on me. I have to look this up.
All right, have you talked with an attorney at all outside of court?
No,
Okay, no one has contacted you?
no one has contacted me. They said they was gonna contact me last time I was at the meeting and they
Right.
haven't did it. No.
Okay, I have a feeling you have attorney Soroki. We're just double checking. He is here, so he'll come in and meet with you. I'm gonna put you in room 5.
Okay.
Soroki, yep, he'll be with you shortly.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
So join.
Yes, please join. He'll be with you in just a moment. What's that?
He sent this morning.
Oh,
I just did the entry this morning.
okay. Corey Towns are saying they got no answer from Corey Towns. I'm gonna try to bring him out. We have really had Zoom trouble this week. Like Zoom has been frustrating this week. The only thing Mr. Towns has is no insurance. So if he would just answer us or join the room, we could get this done. He's doing something. Well. I'm gonna tell you something. All right, good morning again, Mr. Towns.
Oh, how you doing? I'm sorry
I'm
about
good.
that.
Charge here is no insurance. Have you done anything about your insurance at this time?
Yes. I had insurance. That's why I was trying to figure out what was going on. Cause I had got a letter in the mail saying that cause I had got all my stuff
All right, Mr.
dismissed because I
Towns,
had everything.
stop. stop. Is your middle name Montez?
Yes.
Okay, so I have a ticket in front of me here from May 5th of 2026 for no insurance and expired plates. If you have proof of those things today, that you had them at the time the ticket was issued, or you have them now, I'll dismiss your tickets. You have those things?
Yes, I do. Give me 1 second. I'm pulling.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm really confused with Attorney Canfor because Ms. Horn said there was no offer in that file. He's still sitting in room 2.
Yeah, I don't know.
Is he waiting for his client?
Because the trooper appeared, so, and the form probably already.
Are we scheduled for formal or?
A formal hearing. I don't know what is offered.
Mr. Towns, I muted you because I was getting too much background noise. You'll need to unmute when you're ready to talk to me again and show me your documents.
No, not yet. Is it, this for review, right?
I don't know. On Corey Town. Oh.
Oh. So, did you want, you don't want me to put a warrant on it?
Hey, Attorney Dillard.
30 days. Right, if he doesn't show, okay. I will know. Thank you so much.
Mr. Towns, unmute for me.
Oh, sorry about that. I have it right here.
Okay, very good. That's your insurance. And where's your new registration?
It's right here.
Very good. You can put that down. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1901103, City versus Corey Towns. Mr. Towns, just state your name for the record, please.
Corey Towns.
Thank you. Both of your tickets are dismissed based upon your proofs. Have a good day.
All right. Can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
Like I was saying, I had a letter in the mail saying that my license was suspended due to me not showing proof. How do I go about that now?
So now these have been dismissed. I would follow up with the Secretary of State in a few days, like next week, and go see if there's anything additional that's holding up your license. Okay?
All right.
Because these are dismissed.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Hey, Attorney Dillard, I've been able to take care of almost all of your dismissals, but I wanted to talk to you about I think it's in room 9, Ms. Pruitt. So she has everything except her mirror is not fixed, she said. And
Right.
so I just wanted to know, did she want to come back after getting the mirror fixed? Does she want to just take the defective equipment? I don't know what she wants to do. So if you could just let me know with Ms. Pruitt. How are you this morning?
I'm doing real good, thank you.
Good.
I'm waiting on documentation on Derek Perry.
We took care of him. I saw his documents. So that's what I said. Once they told me they were working with you and they were sending proofs, if I could see them, then I just went ahead and took care of it. So most of them I need care of it.
Okay.
I just need you to deal with Ms. Pruitt in room 9 because I need to know if she wants to adjourn to get her mirror fixed, or if she wants to do the defective equipment, or if you're going to try to work it out with city attorney to get the defective equipment dismissed based upon her other documentation that she has.
Okay, could you confirm Jerisha Purnell, did you take care of her?
Yes.
Okay, okay, and that was the dismissals. And I'll go talk to Tabriana next, and you took care of Corey Town.
Yeah, I mean, you can still hang out with me because court's still in session, but I don't want to hold, if I don't have to hold people up, I'm not. So just check.
No.
Check on.
I just like going through my sheet to make sure
make
that,
sure it's all taken
everything
care of.
is covered,
I got you.
Okay, so Tabriana.
One moment. Officer
Pruitt.
Ossie, you're going to go to room 1. Sorry, just one moment, counsel. Officer Ossie, please join room 1. And then Sergeant Yoakum, please unmute. Which case are you here on, please?
Let me check 1 second.
Type the name.
Okay, looks like Madam Clerk found it for you. We're going to get you into room 1, Sergeant Yoakum. Please go to room 1.
Thank you, ma'am.
Huh?
Remain.
Can I have the pedigree file, please? All right, calling ticket number Z809128 P1528553. City versus Ciandre Pettigrew. Counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Chandra Pettigrew.
Your Honor,
Thank you.
Today's date and time set for pretrial. Defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution's matter. She'll be pleading to a high BAC with the reduced to operating while intoxicated, and the no insurance misdemeanor ticket will be dismissed.
All right, so a regular operating while intoxicated, dismissal of the no insurance. Are we dismissed? Oh, we can't do that. Okay, dismissal of the no insurance. Thank you. There's an expired plate, civil infraction in default from 2023. There's nothing I can do with that one, but we'll go ahead and dismiss the misdemeanor, no insurance. Because I can still deal with that one. All right, Ms. Pettigrew, does that all sound consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything that I tell you today is the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on December 13th of 2023, in the area of Losser and Thatcher, that you were operating a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And had you been consuming alcohol at the time you were operating that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And had the consumption of that alcohol impacted your ability to operate the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. And counsel, are we utilizing anything to establish the blood alcohol level?
Yes, Your Honor. Defense stipulates to the BAC test, which is 0.26 and 0.27.
All right, thank you. All right, given that information, are you satisfied with the factual basis, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Pettigrew. You're going to come back for sentencing. That date is going to be August the 21st at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay.
So come back for sentencing. You will be contacted by the probation department. They will do an interview with you to prepare a pre-sentence report for me. Do not take this fast hurrah. Make sure you're clean when you go in there, because if you're not, they'll let me know and they will have a harsher recommendation for you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Your Honor, is that by Zoom or in person?
By Zoom is fine. Thank you. As long as that's okay with Ms. Pettigrew.
That's fine.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day, Ms. Pettigrew.
Thank you.
Attorney
You
Soroki,
too.
Madam Clerk needs to speak to you.
Thank you.
Attorney Soroki, did you speak with Anita Tompkins? I just saw your appearance for her. I know she was.
I haven't spoke to her yet. I had started working on it late.
One of the House counsel spoke to her, so if you have a phone number for her. Okay, yes, she may have gotten a new date. I didn't take a plea, so she must have gotten a new date.
Okay, if you can give me that date, that would be fine.
It would have been July the 10th. That's the date we're using today.
7/10/2026 at 9:15.
Yes.
And that was another pretrial.
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right,
Okay,
thank you.
thanks. All right. In fact, did they request they requested for her MIDC,
Yeah,
but we've already got Soroki on the case. Okay, very
Okay.
good. We're all good, all straightened out. Thank
Okay.
you. Officer Sadi, going to send you to room 1, please. Go ahead to room 1. City Attorney will come see you there. Attorney Canfor, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, are we going to formal hearing today?
No, my client there's no offer, so my client is authorized me to plea to the ticket as written.
All right.
Plea responsible.
Okay, are you ready for me to call the matter so you can get out of here then?
Sure.
Okay, calling ticket number X4683280, City versus Jason Lyle Patton. I think the trooper did appear here. Yep, did. All right, thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Yeah, good morning, Your Honor. Darren Canfor, P44773 on behalf of Mr. Patton. And I do have authority this morning to appear, waive his presence this morning for a civil infraction.
All right, thank you. Waiver is accepted by the court, given that this is simply a civil infraction of failure to stop within a short, clear distance, resulting in an accident. I understand you said your client is just pleading straight up to that, or giving you the permission to just admit to that.
That's correct, Judge. I did speak with the prosecutor. There was no offer. So based upon that, we'll have to plead to this ticket straight up.
All right. All right. Just for the record, matter was set for formal hearing today. Trooper is available, did appear and is available for the formal hearing. However, we're going to go ahead and admit responsibility, or I will accept your admission of responsibility today. Do you know the fine on this one?
170.
Okay, thank you. All right, it's $170. I will give 60 days to get that paid. If it can't be paid within 60 days, what they can do is get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. They can stretch it out. They'll just want a down payment.
Okay, thank you very much.
All
I'll let
right.
my client know that.
All right, thanks. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, Attorney Worthy Williams.
Yes, Lyle Taylor is ready for a plea deal. Just wanted to let the court know. I don't see anyone else in the breakout rooms.
All right, great. Would you go ahead and tell Lyle Taylor to come on out, please, so we can, and thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Mr. Taylor, looks like we're ready on yours. Go ahead and unmute for me. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling ticket number P1913880 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Lyle Taylor. One moment, please. Madam Clerk, can you just help me understand what's going on with these two highlighted matters? I want to make sure that they're not getting left out of the discussion. I've got a failure to display, a limited access 1 to 5, 0 points there.
It's these. Oh, no. Yes, it's those.
So these are also on the docket for today?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, also calling tickets number U37876217, which will be dismissed upon completion of the plea, and P173479121, which will be dismissed upon completion of the plea today. Does that all sound correct to you, Mr. Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Is it true, sir, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit on May 14th, 2026 in the area of West Warren and the Southfield Freeway?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true you did not have a valid license to display to the officer upon request when you were stopped?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You're also admitting to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit at that time. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. On your failure to display, the fine is $190. On the 1 to 5 over limited, it's $125. Okay, 60 days to do one of two things: pay them in full or go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse here at the 36th District Court. They can put you on a long-term payment plan if you need one. They'll just want a down payment from you. You need to make that down payment within the next 60 days to keep your deal intact. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a great day, Mr. Taylor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So Roki has his offers. Can I see the file on that one that Attorney Canfor was here on? And then I need the Dexter Pool file as well, looks like. Thank you. All right, on Dexter Pool,
Yes.
tolling ticket numbers Z810085. Counts 1 and 2. No, and I'm sorry, SP 1762198 counts 1 and 2. Looks like I have on the appearance. All of these are City versus Dexter Pool. Counsel.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Dexter Braxton Poole, Poole.
Your Honor, there's two tickets, SP 1762198, count 1 and 2. Those tickets are in default. They're civil infractions, and they went into default December of 2025. So we're asking the court to pull those two tickets out of default.
All right, motion to remove those tickets from default is granted. Madam Clerk, I do need ROAs or something on these, please. Thank you. Okay, counsel, what are we doing next?
Your Honor, would ask for another pretrial date. I haven't received the discovery yet, and so I would like to have time to review it and go over with Mr. Poole.
All right, my next pretrial date is July 10th. And we can do that at 8:35 in the morning or 8:30.
Okay, 8:30, that's fine.
Okay, we'll do that at 8:30 on July the 10th. We'll set all matters for the final pretrial. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, sir.
You too. And now what?
I'll help you leave. You can leave, and then your attorney will be in touch, and we'll see you back on the 10th. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
When Miss Warner gets in, I need to speak to her about Carlton Pruitt.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll send her a text.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I think she's in Perkins right now. Can I have the Carlton Pruitt file, please? Thank you. She must have gotten a date to come back. Brianna. Right here. Hey, Ms. Horn. Okay,
Hi.
Soroki, Horn's here.
Yep, I got your text. I'll meet you in room 2, Mr. Soroki. All right.
That's fine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys, you should have co-host now.
Thank you, Judge.
Email your runner.
Okay, thank you.
Because I can't print out the copy of this.
Okay, thanks. We have a sentencing schedule for today? Or that was yesterday? No, my emails are taking a minute to pop up. Thank you for that. I got it.
When they send it like that, it's hard for me to print it out.
12/3/25. Yeah, he had his CPL. It was not expired. Officer Sadi, good morning. Mr. Tony did not appear. A warrant will issue.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I
Have
appreciate
a
your
good
time.
day. Thanks. Thank you for your appearance today.
Thank you, ma'am. You take care, Your Honor.
You too. Bye-bye. I know, these the other officers. All right, so Phillips, Phelps, and Tony, I'm going to go in and just remove those officers since they're done for the day. I mean, for press. Sergeant Yocum, thank you for your appearance today. Defendant has failed to appear. Warrant will issue as to Mr. Tony.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Officer Abian, which case are you here on, please?
Ma'am, I'm here on Mr. Tony.
All right, warrant will issue as to that defendant. Defendant has failed to appear. Have a good day.
Thank you. Appreciate you. You have a good day too.
All right, bye-bye. That's just me removing the officers. They'll probably call back in, but can't get anyone's attention. Okay. Okay, Attorney Horn.
Thank you for clearing the room out. I was just getting ready to go in there.
Yes, I just did it. Some of them I let know that a warrant would issue. There were two that wouldn't respond, so I just removed them. I figured they got busy doing other things.
Okay, yeah, that was Ossie. He just texted me. I'll call him back.
Attorneys Dillard and Worthy Williams, thank you so much for your work today. I appreciate you both.
Oh, you're welcome, Your Honor. We appreciate you too and your staff.
Hey, thank you. Just send Madam Clerk an email with future dates, please.
I received them.
Oh, she's got them already. Thank you, guys. All right, have a great day, great weekend.
Take care, counsel.
Okay.
All right.
You too, Ms. Horn. Have a good day, Judge. And Ms. McCollum.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so the only one we've got left is Pruitt that Soroki's working on, right?
Yes, and we're setting a bench trial date, and Mr. Soroki, in lieu of filing a motion, because we watched some of the video together, so we're both questioning whether the firearms charge is correct. He's going to file a trial brief. We'll set it for trial, but file a trial brief in which I'll file one so the court can review prior to trial. I don't want to just dismiss it because some issues might come up regarding that gun.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. I see Jasmine Phillips just arrived. Ms. Phillips, a warrant was just issued because you missed your trial. Unmute. Turn your camera on.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Officer Shaw. Which case were you here on, please?
Ms. Jasmine Phillips.
Yeah, so I was trying to get your attention because a warrant was issued in that case because Ms. Phillips had failed to appear. She just got here.
I'm sorry, I had to step away. I had to use the restroom
Okay,
real quick.
it's really not your fault. You were here waiting. Ms. Phillips, I'm not going to ask you again to unmute and turn on your camera. You were supposed to be here for your trial 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, I didn't hear you. Sorry.
So when we schedule something for a trial, officers show up and they show up on time and they sit here for an hour waiting for you. And so when you had not shown up and the time got to be 2 minutes before 10, a warrant was issued and those officers were excused. I have Officer Shaw here, but he's not the only one I need for trial for you. I needed Corporal Spidell, who also was here today. I'll give you a moment. Ms. Horn can speak to Officer Shaw. I don't know, though, whether you can get in touch with Spidell to see if he's got any offer there, Attorney Horn. We'll run an SOS on Ms. Phillips right now. Ms. Phillips, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Luckily for you, Mr. Dillard is still here, and he can speak with you about your case. This is not a party.
Okay.
It's not a, hey, the party goes from 8:30 to 12. Show up anytime you want. You're scheduled for trial. People are here waiting for you. That's your choice. Room 4, please go see Mr. Dillard. He will be there.
Your Honor, are you recalling the warrant?
Yes, I will recall the warrant. Officer Shaw, I'm going to send you to room 1 to speak with Ms. Horn.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Oh, you're muted. You're muted, Ms. Horn, but we'll run, what's that SOS say? Just so she knows going in, because that's by
I'll take a look at it. I'll look at the history because I want to see the driving history.
License is revoked.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
What is with people just showing up any?
And I can reach Spidell if needed, and bring him back.
Okay, that was the only other officer in her case. Luckily, Shaw logged back in, so I could recall the warrant.
Right.
And we can make something, but yeah, Corporal Spidell, I think, is the only other one on her matters.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, we're ready on Carlton Pruitt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I have ticket number P1896106, City versus Carlton Pruitt Jr. Count 1, excessive noise. Count 2, improper transport of firearm and motor vehicle. Count 3, violation of basic speed law. Counsel appearance, please.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Carlton Wadsworth Pruitt Jr.
Yes, Your Honor, defendant is requesting a trial by judge in this matter. We will be filing a trial brief.
Right. You want to do 30 days to give you a little more time, or what are you thinking?
You know, the prosecution needs time too to respond.
To your motion, so.
To the trial brief. So in any event, 30 days is fine.
Okay, all right. So we'll set the next, you set the bench trial for that date, or when do you think you're gonna file your motion? I guess, do you want to do motion hearing trial same day? Do you want to?
I thought it would be a more effective use of time to just have the trial and at the same day as a motion. Right.
Okay. All right. So then,
Would you rather it be a Wednesday?
yes, thank you.
We go 2 days, the 29th.
Okay, how about July 29th?
Let me see here. It should be good. Yes, that's fine.
Okay. All right, so we'll set this for motion hearing and bench trial on July 29th.
July 29th.
That's a Wednesday. And we'll set it. Well, how's our docket look that day, Madam Clerk? So far, at least.
Right now, all that's scheduled are show causes.
Okay.
Oh, that's perfect.
Reviews, I'll just keep that in mind.
Okay. All right, so we'll set them both for 9:30 on July 29th. I'm told we have a light docket, so hopefully we'll actually be ready to start at 9:30.
And Your Honor, the people would like a scheduling order as to when the motion is due and responses.
Okay. Attorney Soroki, when do you think you'll have your motion and brief done?
In about 3 days.
All right, so
You know what?
all right, so we are right now at June the 26th. If I say motion and brief are due, let's say by the 10th of July,
Okay.
That's fine.
response then due by the 24th,
Okay, perfect.
and then we're scheduled for the 29th. Does that work for everybody?
Works for me.
That's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna take off. Yeah.
I'm just making my notes here so I remember what we're doing. I said that too. Okay, guys, then I'll see everybody back on July 29th.
What? Actually, I would like to talk to Mr. Pruitt for a minute again, and see, we might get this resolved a little quicker here.
Okay, all right. Well, I'll move Mr. Pruitt I'll move him to room 5. So he'll go to 5.
Okay.
Go ahead and join room
Yeah.
5, Mr. Pruitt. Mr. Soroki will
Right.
come there.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Prosecutor Horn, can you meet me in room 2 now? I'll talk to you for a second.
Will do. I'm in the courtroom. I'll be there in about 5.
That's fine. Okay. Thank you. Oh, and Judge, as to Lawrence Thompson,
We're ready.
he hasn't appeared today. I have an email from his wife saying that he's in detention in Wayne County jail at this time.
What was the first name?
Lawrence. His middle name's Lavelle Thompson.
Any idea how long he's going to be there?
And let me look at.
Okay. Mr. Pruitt, you should have joined room 5, sir. Your invitation has probably disappeared at this point.
Oh, actually, no, maybe that's a different person. I'm sorry.
No,
I was just trying, so we'll set a new date. I'm just trying to understand how far out to set it.
Yeah. Yeah, I have an email from a different person. I'm sorry. I thought it was Mr. Thompson. I sent him a text this morning. I'm not aware of where he's at.
Have you had contact with him?
Yes, we had, we were in court before. This is actually, this is our first date. We're 6/26. I think you'll have to, we had a 6/26. I don't think he showed up on that date either. 6/26. Yeah, I haven't had any communication with him. Let me look at my phone and see if the text he's responded.
Okay, well, I've got a probation review to deal with, so I'll let you deal with
All
Mr.
right,
Pruitt.
thank you.
Out and do the housekeeping. Okay, thanks.
All right.
All right, Malik Pippin. Yeah, that file when you're ready.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Officer Green. How are you?
I'm doing great, and you?
Well, if people can manage to show up for court on time.
I know that's right, Mr. Pippin.
A little bit better. Mr. Pippin, you're here now on 2 devices and you're still not talking to me. Mr. Pippin.
I'm here.
Thank you. Why are you almost 2 hours late for court?
I didn't receive anything on the mail.
Well, you knew to come.
Because I called him, Your Honor.
Mr. Pippin, turn him.
He said that I didn't send him anything, but that's not what I do. When we report monthly, if he would report, I would remind him of his court dates.
All right, we're going to call the matter. Mr. Pippin, turn your camera on. Calling ticket number Z808545, City versus Malik Pippin. Mr. Pippin, state your name for the record.
Malik Pippin.
Thank you. Please turn on the light so that I can see you. Officer Green.
Lisa Green for the probation department.
Thank you. We're here for purposes of probation review today. I'm assuming you've got an update for me.
I do. Today would be Mr. Pippin's 12-month discharge. However, he still has to complete the Alcohol Highway Safety Level 1, the Driver's Improvement Program, Marijuana Insight Program, Victims Impact Panel, get enrolled in GED, and complete 80 hours of community service. He has an outstanding balance to the court of $1,678, Your Honor.
Has anything been done, Officer Green?
What has been completed is he viewed the consequences video on YouTube. And he has a balance on this case of $805.
I completed other classes too.
You completed which classes? I've been through your file. I don't have any certificates from eVay regarding the alcohol highway safety.
I have the certificate for eBay in my emails right now.
Okay, because I would get that from eBay directly, and I don't have
I'm sorry, I don't mean to cut you off, but you don't seem to get anything I completed. I completed 30 hours of community service. I have one more thing to complete for my and everything. I signed up for GED. I had never heard anything back from them. So I tried reaching out. I'm gonna try reaching out again, but I have
Okay, you wouldn't, the 30 hours of community service, I wouldn't get anything on that until you completed the total 80 hours. If you completed these classes with eBay, Mr. Rice would send me those certificates directly. I did do an email search from you, and all I have is your medical marijuana card.
Yeah, I didn't complete every class, but I just recently completed a class. I'm going to it right now. Give me 1 second.
Okay, so Your Honor, we're asking for a 90-day extension on this case for full compliance.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the victim impact panel. I have like the case number and everything. I completed it May 31st.
Forward that to me. That would not come automatically to me, so you need to forward that to me, my email.
All right.
All right, Mr. Pippin, you've been on probation for a year, for 12 months. more than enough time to get 80 hours of community service done. I don't like, I don't, no, 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 no,
6 months.
no,
I was
no.
just recently in an accident.
So, okay, here's what the mute button is for. I'm at the end of a long, frustrating morning. Part of it because people keep showing up late. Court was over an hour ago, except for late arrivals. If you're ordered to do your GED, the order is not, hey, reach out about a GED, and if nobody contacts you back in a year, don't worry about it. That's not the order of the court. You need to follow the orders of the court. You need to do, I don't like keeping people on probation. The longer you're under supervision, the more likely somebody's likely to find a violation for little things that we all might do every day. Only you're under increased scrutiny because you're on probation. Under the new law, you could have been off probation 6 months ago had you gotten everything done. And even under the old law, you'd be done today. And now I've got to extend your probation 3 more months just because things aren't getting done. I need you to take this seriously. I'm going to give you some time to get some things done. If there are financial issues, that's one thing. You can tell me about that when you come back, okay? If you got trouble with fines and all those kinds of things. But these classes, these kind of things, they need to get done, Mr. Pippin, so that we can get you off probation and out of my courtroom, okay? Okay. So Officer Green, 90 days.
90 days is what me and Mr. Pippin talked about. Do you think you need a little bit longer, Mr. Pippin?
I would need a little longer as far as community service, but not for no more classes, no. Because I only have like three more classes to take care of.
So you got 50 hours of community service, it sounds like, left to do, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have, here's what I will do, Mr. Pippin. I will adjust your order so that you only have 30 hours of community service left to do, but I'm going to keep you on the 90-day track. Sound good?
Yeah.
Honor,
Okay.
can I bring it to the court's attention that his community service is an amendment of his fines and costs. So I just want to remind you of that.
Okay, that is good. All right. That's because we're trying to help you get on your way, Mr. Pippin. I'm making adjustments to try to help you get on your way, but you got to take it seriously and get it done, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to see you back here in 90 days, September 24th of 2026. Thank you for the reminder, Officer Green. I am going to go ahead and reduce it to the 30 hours. So you have 30 additional hours as to the 30 in addition to the 30 that he's done.
Okay. What's that date again? September
24th.
Okay.
Mr. Pippin, September 24th, 8:35 a.m. is your next court date. Got it?
Okay.
All right.
You will get a notice in the mail very soon about that next court date. It will not come close to September 24th. It's coming to you any day now.
All right.
I advise you to put that notice on your refrigerator. I will also be reminding you, I've already set you up for an in-person appointment with me next month. Look out for that postcard for July 17th of 2026 at 9 a.m. in person.
All right, so I've reduced your community service hours. Sounds like you got 30 more that you need to get done. Make sure you're getting proof of those, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you back in 90 days.
Thank you, Honor.
Thank you,
Have a good
Officer
rest of
Green.
your weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.
Looks like we may, I don't know if this is a plea as to Jasmine Phillips because or that's just, I think that's the offer. Bring Dillard out and make sure he knows what the offer is. Hi, I just making sure you saw your offer is to Jasmine Phillips, 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of traffic device, civil infraction, and 1 count of no valid registration. That's her plea offer.
Mhm.
It's in the room name. It's typed into the room name, Attorney Dillard.
It's typed into my room name.
It's
And the
typed into the name of the room. So next to room 4, it says FTD, traffic device, and no valid registration. That's because that's the offer now. 1 count
Which
of
was
failure to
communicated. All right,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Okay,
All right. Thank you.
thank you.
And I did communicate that to Mr. Dillard.
Okay, thank you. Do you need me to put you back, Attorney Dillard?
No. I'm just looking and thinking.
Okay, thank you.
And Judge, I just got your message. Yep, thank you.
Okay.
And the offer on Pruitt is if he takes the firearms charge as charged, with no return of the firearm, the people will dismiss the other two charges.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Can I ask you, just for clarification, because maybe I'm not understanding, if a person has a CPL, how do they, what constitutes improper transport of a firearm in a vehicle if a person has a CPL?
Well, I really like to have that discussion off record.
Okay, I just want to make sure,
don't have an
I just want to
answer.
know,
Yeah,
need to know that I know the law, you know what I mean? Like, that I'm
right.
not confused, about where things need to be placed, et cetera, that it's not my source of confusion. Unfortunately, I can't join you in a breakout room from here.
Okay.
So we'll talk offline about it. Yeah, I can't, from this computer, I can't. Okay. Thank you.
And then because we're on YouTube, I don't want to be teaching people,
Gotcha.
you know, professing to be an expert.
Right. Yeah. You know, things change. And so that's why I'm always like, is there something that I'm missing or that I'm not up on? That's why we have school for us in all my classes. So time to go to judge school on that issue again.
Yeah, things have changed a lot substantially.
Yeah. Oh, and that is the one where you said that was where we're talking about motions and briefs and videos. Gotcha. Okay.
Correct.
There are some nuances to the case.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome, Judge.
Well, I guess we're all just waiting for a minute.
and Officer Shaw and the court has the offer, I do have to go to another
I got you.
courtroom. Okay, thank you,
She
Judge.
can't do trial today anyway if she rejects the offer because we've lost Fidel.
That's what I was
So-
thinking. So, okay, all right, thanks, Judge.
Okay, thanks. Hey, Soroki. All right, Attorney Horn had to leave again to go back to another courtroom, so I'm just checking in with you as to what we're doing.
It's just a little strategy. I was just talking to him for a minute, see if he wanted to take a plea or if he wanted to go to the trial with a motion, and give me another couple minutes. I'll be done. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much for coming and for waiting. What's happening now is they're discussing the plea. You're welcome to wait to see how that comes out, but it is taking a while. You don't have to wait. We will not be doing the trial today because we've lost Corporal Spidel, so it'll have to get rescheduled. So if you're tired of waiting, I know you've been here with me most of the morning. You don't have to wait anymore. I appreciate you being here. Either she's going to take the plea or it's going to get set for trial on another date.
Sounds good, Your Honor. I'm gonna go ahead and head out for the day. I gotta go prep for a jury trial.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much. Appreciate your time.
You're welcome. You have a good day, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm here.
Yes. Judge, we do have our trial brief and motion, or trial date and motion date and dates for scheduling. Defendant at this time is going to, will continue with that motion with a trial date. And then if defendant decides to plead in the interim, I'll notify the court and we'll resolve it that. We'll resolve it.
All right. Thank you,
Okay.
Attorney Soroki. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you. And also, Lawrence Thompson didn't appear. I don't know why. It was another person who was contacting me about
All right.
the being in jail. Thank you.
Okay, thanks so much. All
Bye.
right, Attorney Dillard.
Yes, Your Honor.
You know, I don't have a whole lot of patience with Miss Phillips. She's late for court. We've lost an officer. We can't do trial today because she was so late. She needs to figure out what she's going to do. I'm fine if she wants to reset the trial date, we can do that. But at this time, court is being held open solely for her when she chose to come almost an hour late.
Your Honor, could this matter be rescheduled for July 17? I know that's the bench trial date, but if it can also be changed to a final pretrial.
I don't know about that.
Well, it's just that I would anticipate that this matter will be resolved, and having police officers show up is not going to,
I understand.
is what the court is trying to avoid.
Right? Is this well, we've had a I've got a failure to appear in April. I've got a failure to appear bench warrant in February. I've got a fail to appear in April. I've got a fail to appear in May. And now she's late today. So late that the trial that was scheduled for today can't go. And now she's asking for another pretrial date. You know, I got folks I answer to too, and they don't like for me to leave things on the docket like
Well,
this.
yeah, what I'm trying to suggest, Your Honor, is that she's going to be trying to pay off all of these tickets. She's already contacted the Secretary of State in terms of things that she needs to get done. And
Okay.
she's hoping that by the 17th she can have everything paid off. And that the Secretary is requiring, Secretary of State is requiring. That
I mean,
being
she's pushing me out. She's pushing me out a week past my next pretrial date, past my final pretrial date.
I would object.
Well, the reason for that.
All right, let's call the matter. We can bring Ms. Phillips out. I'll hear the motion to adjourn. Let's bring her on out, and then you can, we'll see.
Thank you.
I
Your
agree that there is an efficiency to avoiding officers coming. If there's going to be an acceptance of the documents, we'll see. Go ahead and tell Ms. Phillips to come on out, please.
1 minute, John.
That statute, Your Honor?
Yep. It's up here.
Okay, cool.
Oh, great.
I hadn't read it, so I didn't want to
Okay,
say.
thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you, Ms. Moore. Okay, calling ticket number P1882040, P1882028, and P1849989. These are all City versus Jasmine Phillips. Attorney Horn, your appearance, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. Attorney Dillard.
Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Phillips. Ms. Phillips, state your full name for the record.
Jasmine Phillips.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we also have Officer Shaw. He's here and available for trial. Corporal Spidale did check in, but was released due to initially a failure to appear by Ms. Phillips.
Okay, Ms. Phillips, the way you're starting, I don't know what you got going on. You're late for court, you're moving, you've turned your camera off.
My camera's not turned off.
Well, I don't know what happened. We've just lost video. And the only reason we're still here today, literally, is because you came to courtroom. Attorney Dillard, I understand.
There it is. There it is. Sorry.
All right. It would help probably if you get to a place where you can be still so that you can be sure your signal is stable. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Attorney Dillard.
Ms. Phillips, stop walking. Ms. Phillips, stop walking. Your Honor, with respect to this matter, this matter's been scheduled for a bench trial. I'm requesting that this matter be rescheduled for July 17th. However, I would ask that it be changed to a final pretrial. She's hoping to have this matter resolved, has always hoped that this matter would be resolved. And I'm asking for that adjournment. That would eliminate the need for officers to appear. She's going to need that amount of time to secure the documentation from the Secretary of State and take care of some matters. I would ask that the court consider that, and if the court wanted to give a 30-day adjournment, that would be even better. The hope is to try to have drivers, giving them the ability to get back on the road, which includes helping with economic stability in this community. And I'm asking that the court simply adjourn this matter. If it can go 30 days out, that's it. That's what I would like to request. If the court is not willing to do that, I'm asking for at least the 17th, but I believe in the interest of justice and in this matter that the court considered 30 days.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, any response?
The people would object to the adjournment. If she does not want to take the offer today, I will make a note that this offer is off the table. From the assertions that were just made on the record, she is not in compliance right now, which indicates that she was likely not in compliance on the date of the incident, and that will be the date that we're looking for. The people do, as a courtesy, oftentimes and most times, once they come into compliance, will consider a dismissal, but a plea offer does not have to be given. In addition to that, we don't have to give that courtesy. Today, I am objecting, and going forward, I'm going based on the date of the incident. In addition, what I have also considered is Ms. Phillips' tardiness today in court without good cause for why she was late, nor an apology to the court. That's where the people stand.
All right, thank you. All right, so one of the things that does concern me, counsel, as I stated earlier, these are fairly recent tickets. I'm looking at Corporal Spidel's ticket, which has a driving while license not proper and no proof of insurance. That was received on January 20th of 2026. What he wrote on the ticket was that the insurance had expired approximately 6 weeks earlier on December 2nd of 2025. Okay, so she had a current ID, but her insurance had been expired for 6 weeks there. It does also concern me that I have on that ticket 2 failures to appear, a failure to appear in February and then a failure to appear in May. And then Ms. Phillips is joining us today, but joining us late without explanation. As to Officer Shaw's tickets, those were issued on March 17th of 2026. So again, fairly recent. They are for disregarding a traffic control device, running a red light, no valid registration, and no proof of insurance. Attorney Horn, and for driving with a revoked license. Attorney Horn, would you please refresh my memory as to what the offer was?
The offer is to the traffic control device, 2 points as charged, failure to display as to the revoked license, Officer Shaw's tickets, and the no valid registration. The people are moving for dismissal on 3, and that would be a no ops for Corporal Spidel, Shaw's no proof of insurance, and also Spidel's proof of insurance. Ms. Phillips, the people are considering no proof of insurance because the ramifications for that is that when you do get a vehicle that you need to insure, generally, if you're stuck with that civil infraction, it's $288. In addition to, you will have to pay the insurance company 6 months in advance. I'm dismissing both of those.
All right, I'm just taking, go ahead, Attorney Dillard.
I was just going to say to Madam Prosecutor, she has, that vehicle has valid registration.
I have not been presented with that, and my offer stands.
So I will tell you the interesting thing about the ticket, well, not that ticket. I can tell that she did probably have valid registration because Corporal Spidell noted that she had registration. Oh, no, that says paper tag upside down and obscured. Okay, nope, so that didn't. I thought that addressed the registration. It didn't. I'm taking a look at the Secretary of State report now. Give me just a moment, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What do you understand Ms. Phillips to have been doing up to this point to try to get her license and things together?
Your Honor, it's been a lot of issues going on. This has been a rough season for her in terms of a lot of loss in her families. With respect to this matter, Your Honor, she has always, from the beginning, had the desire that she can get get the documents necessary. Regrettably, she's had some hiccups in terms of employment opportunities. Again, I can understand the prosecution's desire, but considering even the age of the tickets, these are baby tickets compared to so many other cases that are out there that we're dealing with.
Yeah. Okay. So the tickets are fairly recent. Here's my dilemma, right? It was set for trial today, meaning what we are looking for when we're set for trial is to, or if we go to trial, at trial, is to whether things were valid on the date of the incident. As Attorney Horn stated, often the government will kind of give people some leeway if they have their stuff together when they get to court. You know, I think part of the issue here today is it does tax governmental resources when someone is late. And I had 2 officers sitting here all morning waiting for Ms. Phillips to arrive. And quite frankly, she's given us no explanation as to why she was so late for court this morning. Attorney Dillard, did she offer you some explanation?
I did not ask the reason why, Your Honor. If the court, if she would like to address the court as to why she was late, she can do so if she chooses to do so. Do you
Sounds
wish
like
to
she
tell?
wants to.
Do you wish to explain to the court why you were late?
Yes.
Your Honor, you don't have to. You understand that?
Yes, but I want to because I
Okay,
was getting
go ahead.
ready for work. I was getting ready for work and I was rushing because my boyfriend had something to do and I had to be to work, and then it slipped my mind. I forgot about court. And then I had to call the 36th district to get the court number, and then I hurried up and zoomed in. But I was rushing today.
So you didn't have your paperwork as to the login information? Is that what happened? So you had
No.
to call to get it, forgot your paperwork as
Yes.
to how to log in?
Yes.
Okay. Well, first you forgot you had court. Then when you remembered, you didn't have the paperwork with you. So you had to call the court to see how to log in. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
I just want to make sure that I'm understanding what your explanation is. Right.
Yes, because I left out for work and I forgot the paperwork. So I had to call and then zoom in.
Okay. So the issue is, you know, I don't control the offers, right? And so what she's asking for, Attorney Dillard, is an offer, is leniency from the government. I don't control that. And so we can set it for another pretrial, we can set it for a trial, but it sounds like unless there's proof that things were valid the date that she was pulled over, there's not an offer there. If we go past today. I was taking a look at the Secretary of State reports. I wanted to see how many points you might already have on your license. It appears to me that you might already have with what, because this is on there for some reason already. So, or calling it 2 points. So that's for the disregarding traffic control device because it probably went into default. So in terms of the plea today, the points are already on the license because it's in default. If you had a motion to pull it out of default, well, I grant the motion, but the question is still the same, right? I think I must have granted it because it was set for trial today or formal hearing. So, you know, my dilemma is, yes, I can set it, but it doesn't really change anything. Unless the government is going to be willing to accept whatever she manages to get done before the next court date and apply it retroactively as they sometimes do. All right. So I've recalled the warrant that was issued when trial was missed this morning. We've recalled those warrants. So now the question is, do we set it for a new trial date or do we set it for a final pretrial?
Yana, before we go any further, could you set aside the default on the traffic matter?
Yep, I'll set aside the default as well. I think that had already been done, but in case it wasn't, we'll do that. So that they're all back in play. So we'll set aside the default.
And Yana, could I have a 5-minute conversation with my client and then bring us back out into the courtroom?
All right, so right now, the offer is to 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of no registration. If she has proof of that today, it sounds like Attorney Horn is interested in seeing that registration if she has proof of it today, and then that traffic control device. We know the license is still not good, but if she's got registration, please make sure you get the proof of that. And then we've got this traffic control device, but as I said, I'm setting aside the default, but it's already on there. It's already on the record. So I'm going to reopen the room so that you can speak with her, okay?
Thank you, Yana.
Okay, Ms. Phillips, I'm gonna send you back into the breakout room. Watch your device. There we go. Okay, she's back in room 4 for you. And I will be
Hey, Ms. Warren, I can't make you co-host.
No, no problem. I'll just sit here and wait because it's still in there talking to her.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Hi, Madam Clerk. Are we still waiting?
Yep, I'm watching the breakout room. I'm watching because I'm wondering if what she's trying to find is her registration. So I'm gonna give her a couple more minutes because I don't see anything happening in that breakout room. So I'll give it about 2 more minutes. I'll bring everybody out at 11. Okay.
Thank you.
so we're gonna go back on the record. Uh-oh, I've lost Attorney Horn now. I'm just letting Attorney Horn know that we're ready.
Okay, Ms. Phillips, stop
Yes.
walking. You have to stop walking.
All right. I'm just waiting for Attorney Horn to come back.
Okay, Yana.
Back on the record in the case of City versus Jasmine Phillips. I've had time to have Snickers, so I'm gonna try to quell my irritability this morning. All right. Here's what I don't want to have happen. Okay. You're late for court. Judge is not happy. Judge expresses she's not happy. What I don't want to have happen is, you know, life has happened to you this morning, and now you've got stuff going, making it worse, more points, more things. The fact is you did show up. You showed up. You were late, gave me an explanation. Normally, had you not shown up, what would have happened is that a warrant would have issued, which it did. And then you'd have come in one day and we'd have recalled your warrant, and this would have been set for a pretrial, which is what your attorney asked me for in the first place. Okay. If I don't give you the pretrial, essentially what I'm doing is punishing you for not showing up and then showing up, because a person who never showed up and showed up 30 days later would have gotten the exact thing that you're asking me for, which is another pretrial date, an arraignment on the bench warrant, and a pretrial. So I'm going to grant you your pretrial date. I understand life happens. Okay. I don't know what will happen on your pretrial date, but these are things that you're going to want to take care of anyway, right? Your registration, your insurance, trying to get your license back. Yes. And perhaps the city, I don't know, on that day will be open to something else. I don't know. And I don't think any of us, as of today, Ms. Horn says probably not, but you know, we've all had kind of a rough week around here too. So I'm going to grant the pretrial date. That you should not take that to have any bearing on whether or not there will be an offer made to you on the pretrial date, but I'm going to give you the pretrial date. All right. Because I don't want to punish you to that extent. Okay.
Okay. What if I just took the
plea?
The plea, yeah.
Yeah. So you're still free to take the plea today, but you need to understand that your plea includes a 2-point traffic offense. Okay.
And if I may, Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, that is going to stick throughout the whole procedure. I've spoken with the officers, and the reason that they're in this area because they have numerous fatalities.
Okay. Okay. So that's why she can't reduce the disregarding traffic control device. So, and as I said, those points are on your license. So if you take the plea today, you're getting some more fines on insurance. I don't know if you gave Attorney Dillard your proof of registration, but you know, you get a fine on the no insurance, but it's not putting points on your license. The thing that's putting points on your license is already on your license at this point. And so you're not getting additional points by taking the plea today. Did that answer your question, Ms. Phillips?
Yeah, but I wanted to know, like, do I have to, if I took the plea, what all do I have to pay?
So under the terms of your plea, Attorney Horn, it was traffic control device failure to display and no registration?
Correct.
Okay. And Attorney Dillard, what happened with the proof of registration?
Your Honor, she needed a little more time. She had to go get to her vehicle. Is that accurate, a statement, Ms. Phillips?
Yes, it's in the car in the glove compartment.
Okay, all right. And is that where you were walking to?
Um,
How close
no.
is your vehicle? Because you've been walking around. Where's your vehicle?
I'm actually outside of work. I got dropped off. I'm not driving it.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. So in terms of your fines, the failure to display is 190. The no registration, that's a civil. Madam Clerk, do you know the no reg and the traffic control?
Registration.
Okay. All right. We're looking up the fines for you.
Okay.
So your failure to display would be 190. Your no registration, I think it's, I don't know if it's 90 or 120, and then traffic control device.
Traffic control is 130.
Okay, traffic control device is 130.
Registration is 90.
Okay, so you'd have 190, 90, and 130.
And Your Honor.
Okay.
It's all shots.
Okay. Well, only the misdemeanor. I can do the misdemeanor.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, and I can reduce your failure to display to 100 from 190. So we can do 100, 130, and 90. Now, you can make a request for community service. You can get an extended time to pay from the cashiers on the first floor, but that's what the fines would be. So whatever 230 plus 90 would be 330, 320, $320. And then, as I said, if you wanted me to convert that to community service, I could do that.
Yes, I'll take it. Oh, I can pay it on the 3rd.
All right, thank you.
Could you give her an extra 2 weeks, Your Honor, just in case?
Sure. I mean, I'll give her 90 days. I mean, that's
Okay.
I'll give her
Thank you,
90
Anna.
days. All
Thank
right.
you.
And so it would be 90 days. And then if you can't get it paid off in the 90 days, Ms. Phillips, then you can go see the cashiers down on the first floor. They can put you on a long-term payment plan, like a year or whatever, but you need to give them a down payment within the 90 days. It's usually like 25%. So in your case, it would probably be about $70, $75 that you'd have to give them in 90 days on these tickets. I don't know if you have other tickets in default that they may catch when you go down there.
Okay.
You want to take the plea today?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. So then the plea will be to 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of disregarding traffic control device, and 1 count of no registration. And then we'd be dismissing 1 count of driving while license not valid, 1 count of no proof of insurance, and the no proof of insurance on Shaw's ticket. So 2 counts of no insurance dismissed and 1 count of not driving without a valid license dismissed. So dismissal of 3. Is that okay? Do you understand all of that?
Yes.
Okay. Did anybody promise you? Yes, Attorney.
I was gonna say, in terms of the civil infractions, if I'll stipulate to the 4 corners of the tickets to get a court jurisdiction over those civil matters. The traffic device and the no registration.
Okay. I mean, are you saying you'd like me to take those as no contest, please? Or you just?
It can, if she wants, if it can go no contest, that'd be okay as well.
I guess I'm confused by your statement that you're giving the court jurisdiction, or you're submitting to jurisdiction. You're just saying you're admitting to where it says it occurred. Where the ticket, you're admitting that the ticket occurred in Detroit so that this court has jurisdiction. I'm confused by your jurisdiction statement.
Okay, what I'm saying, Your Honor, if the court would allow me to make the factual basis of for the civil.
Gotcha. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Stipulate to the tickets to get a court to jurisdiction to establish the factual basis.
All right, no problem. Thank you. And so would you like to establish the factual basis, or would you like me to establish the factual basis?
Oh, you can establish the factual basis from the ticket, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
And that's
Okay.
that's on the civil infractions. On the criminal matter, on the other matter, the failure to display, she can make the factual basis there.
Okay, Ms. Phillips, did anyone promise you anything other than what we've talked about to get you to plead guilty today?
No,
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial on the misdemeanor and the rights that you would have at a trial?
yes,
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
yes,
Okay, please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear.
Thank you. Okay. Is it true that on March 17th of 2026 in the area of West Davison and Linwood that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
And is it true that you were not able to show a valid license to the officer upon request at that time?
yes,
Thank you. What I have left, counsel, is no valid registration and disregarding the traffic control device. Are you telling me that you would not like for me to question your client about those two? And
Your
instead
Honor,
look to the face of the ticket to establish the factual basis?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. No objection to that, Attorney
No
Horn?
objection, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, court will use the face of the ticket. Ms. Phillips, confirming your understanding that establishing your responsibility in this way has the same effect as if you admitted it. We're just going to use the ticket instead. Do you understand that?
yes,
Okay. All right. So I will accept the admission to both of these. All right. On your failure to display, $190. On your disregarding traffic control device, I'm sorry, I'm going to reduce your failure to display to 100.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, because it's on Officer Shaw's ticket, I can reduce that one, same ticket. So I'll reduce that one to 100. Then I've got your traffic control device ticket. That one's going to be 130. And then I have your registration ticket, which is 90. Okay.
yes,
As I said, I'm going to give you 90 days on these. And if you cannot pay them all within 90 days, then you can go see the cashiers, give them their down payment, and this will remain in place. Okay.
okay,
All right. Okay, Ms. Phillips, I hope your day gets better.
thank you.
You're
And
welcome.
Ms.
All right. Bye-bye.
Phillips, get over to the Secretary of State as well, okay?
Okay,
All right, guys. Thanks so much. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter. Thank you, Attorney Dillard. Have a great day.
You too,
all right.
Your Honor.